I thought you ate all yours in the car.
Hmm.
I thought you ate all yours in the car.
No.
Is the steak tender?
Mm-hmm. I like Chipotle a lot. You know how sometimes Chipotle be a little tough?
Mm-hmm.
It's very tender. I haven't had any bristle or anything.
I don't really understand the concept of soccer other than just get the ball, down. Like basketball.
No,
To-
it's not like basketball at all.
But to get a goal, to get the ball down to your...
But there's so much more to it.
I know, but I'm saying, that's why I say I don't understand it.
It ain't in the box.
What are you talking about?
The ball wasn't in the box.
Look at the scale. Look at the scale. Yup. That was bogus.
So she stole it?
It's like, I don't know. I can do that, though.
Authentic burrito box. Manhattan.
57th and 9th Avenue.
No. That's not.
It is. 57th Street, 9th Avenue.
That ball is amazing.
I didn't get a burrito, but my chicken wrap is good. Grilled chicken wrap. It has cucumbers and a whole bunch of stuff on it, in spinach tortilla wrap. The chicken is very seasoned. It's seasoned very well. It's good. I didn't even need to put sauce.
That's goat meat.
You know what?
You and Ricky probably eat goats.
I don't.
You ain't never ate goat?
Mm-mm.
Nah.
Yes, I have. Kim and them had some curry goat. Goat head at that.
No, goat is not. Yeah, goat is. Goats do that screaming stuff.
That's how they do.
Yeah, they do. That's that one video where they take that part from Sisters Act 2 when he go that high note when Jesus walked, and they take that go when Jesus. Man, what that
That's
is?
just a freaking no card.
That's a goat.
She probably was like, breath.
I wonder if we could take this back home. That's good.
No.
They're gonna be like, put that in a separate bag.
We could put this up in
They're
here.
gonna be like, throw that away.
But to mom. Yeah, what is that?
Mm-hmm. Got my chamomile too. Would you please put my bottle of water in the fridge?
Hey, you can bring.
Zach, get out the way.
mini
Thank you.
fridge,
Zeke, that was uncalled for.
How? When I can't see.
Mini refrigerators, microwaves, just nothing that could see anything else on fire like toaster ovens.
We were there,
We were there.
Half the time you had your headphones in,
but I clearly
so
can
you
still hear
never
it.
you never know.
You can bring furniture as long as it's California certified.
There you
Completely
go.
not flammable.
Stay
I hear
with it.
things.
He's staying with it tonight.
You staying with it?
I've been staying with it. Y'all think I don't hear it, but I hear everything. I just choose not to respond.
Then I'ma beat you.
See, you gave yourself up.
It don't matter. Everyone knows I can hear very well. I just choose not to respond.
When you
Cause
had those headphones on, you can't hear.
Sometimes you can't though.
Of course I can.
Make sure your headphones still in there. I put them in there because you left them on the floor and I didn't want them to get gone.
Exact check.
How you gonna say it like that?
Because I have my finger in my mouth.
Why not that? Would you check?
Oh.
Could you check? Please and thank you. Why are you prancing?
Where they at?
She said in one of those drawers.
I found them.
No, I said in there. And what you say?
Thank you. To both of you.
Welcome. Authentic. Okay, what's wrong? What's the matter? You don't get enough attention or something? What's the matter?
No, I wasn't trying to get attention. I was just trying to, you know, exercise my dancing skills.
Do the African thing.
That take a lot out of you. And I don't want anything that I just consumed to come back up. We're gonna leave Africa in Africa today. Zimbabwe. Dami dami to you.
Limey dimey.
I don't know what it means. Why you watching me? I don't want to lay down after I just ate, you know.
I understand.